that big one. Right down the leaf. I wonder how big these supposed to get, because they turning and they ain't even that big.
That dried up one right there?
Oh, the wasp eating all stuff.
No, you just sucking up the juice like this.
Is that why they growing orange?
They're growing orange because that's the color.
Uh-oh, I'm sorry.
That's the color.
Gotta put a stick in there, huh? Hey, we probably could put this stick right here and hold that up.
Oops. Anything over here? Like that. They coming up.
Let's see, it's a bunch of them over here. Let's see.
Look at this.
I need to go in and pull some of the leaves out the bottom like I did in that first bed. Yeah. So they can breathe. I don't think these get that big. I don't know what they do. What they're supposed to. I gotta put a stick in here. What you do with that little stick you had? Oh, you put it right here. Ooh.
Yeah, these got big one around. They starting to blow up again.
That's all that's out here today, isn't it? Did we check that plant over here? Let me show you. Got the basket in there. Over here. I seen that hanging right there. Make me some pepper sauce. That's a bunch of jalapenos on that one. We're just getting the bigger ones. It's cracked up. It's still some good, it's just a little cracked. Because I guess they're not supposed to get that big.
They begin to go bad.
We'll have some lemons pretty soon. Well, y'all, this is Chevelle and her husband in the backyard garden this morning, and we come out and harvest some peppers before the rain starts. Some of these?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're new here, welcome. Check out the channel. Hit the like and subscribe button so so you can get more content. And if you are returning, thank you for returning. Yeah, because these been on there a long time. I've just been so concerned about the rain and my eggplants. I keep forgetting about these little peppers over here. What was wrong with that one?
It's right.
And so you said a wasp was eating on it?
Eating the juice out of the
What? So guys, that's all for our harvest today. Here is the basket of our pepper harvest today. I hope you guys enjoyed the harvest. Yeah, this is our harvest for today. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Shalom, and have a great weekend. I can't wait till that big one right there get ready. Happy gardening.